morning, children. So welcome to maths class. Today in maths we are going to learn greater than, smaller than and equal to. These three we are going to learn. So what is greater than? Greater than is nothing but a bigger number than the other. A bigger number than the other. So for example, look at the board now. So here mass greater than. See, numbers I have given here like this. Two sides there is a numbers. In the center there is a box. So now, what is greater than? Greater than is the bigger number than the other. So, 9 is bigger than 6 or smaller than 6? Let me know. 9 is bigger than 6 or smaller than 6? Yeah, 9 is bigger than 6. Yes or no? So, 9 is greater than 6. So, when we say that it is greater than, we use this symbol. It will be opened where there is a bigger number. So, when the smaller number is there, it is closed. So, it is pointing to bigger number. So this is called greater than sign. Did you understand, children? So 32 and 22. So 32 is greater than 22. Yes or no? Yes. 32 is bigger than 22, right? So 32 is greater than 22. So, I already told you, greater number side, it should be opened. Okay, children. So, now 18 is smaller than 14 or greater than 14? It is greater than 14. Because after 14 only, the 18 comes. That means 18 is greater than 14. Now, 93 is smaller than 71. Or greater than 71? Greater than 71. Yes or no? The same way, 64 is greater than 29 or smaller than 29? It is greater than 29. Bigger number. Yes or no? Then 48 is greater than 0 or smaller than 0? It is greater than 0 because 0 is nothing. So, 48 is greater than 0. So, what sign is this? It is a greater than sign. Okay. Then, 89 is greater than 85 or smaller than 85? It is bigger than 85. That means greater than 85. Again, 50 is greater than 30 or smaller than 30? It is greater than 30. Yes. Did you understand, children? So, what is greater than? The number is bigger than the other. Did you understand? So, like this we have in the textbook, workbook and also in our classwork. So, let's go and do all those things. So, children, already we have completed greater than. So now we are going to learn about smaller than. What is smaller than? It's nothing but the number which is smaller to the other. Did you understand? The number which is smaller than the other number is called smaller number. So for example, look at the board, children. Here we have a 10 and 15. So which is smaller than? 10 is smaller than 15 or greater than 15? Yeah, it is smaller than 15. So what sign we have to use? This is called smaller than symbol. This is called smaller than sign. Did you understand, children? So 10 is smaller than 15. So the smaller than side it should be closed. And the bigger number side it should be opened. Did you understand, children? So, 36 is smaller than 40 or bigger than 40? It is smaller than 40. So, put the sign of smaller than. Did you understand, children? 52 is smaller than 66 or bigger than 66? It is smaller than 66. And 9 is smaller than 11 or bigger than 11? It is smaller than 11. So this sign is called smaller than sign. And it should be closed. When we are pointing out this smaller number, it should be closed. And it should be opened to the bigger number. Did you understand, children? Now look here. 22 is smaller than 26 or greater than 26. It is smaller than 26. And 86 is smaller than 97 or greater than 97. Smaller than 97. And 72 is smaller than 79 or greater than 79. It is smaller than 79. And 98 is smaller than 100 or greater than 100. It is smaller than 100. Did you understand, children? So this is what smaller than. So now this smaller than, a few more worksheets were given in the textbook and in workbook and also the classwork. So let's go and do those all things. So children, we have completed greater than and smaller than. Now we are going to learn about equal to. What is equal? Nothing but it is same at the both sides. Did you understand? The number which is same in the both sides is called equal to. For example, look at the board. Here we have a numbers 9 and 9. Both sides are same. So, equal to. What is the sign of equal? Two sleeping lines. What is the sign of equal? Two sleeping lines. So, this is equal from the both sides, same number. 20, 20. Equal to. 46, 46. Equal to. 39, 39. Equal to. 52, 52. Equal to. Both sides are same number. 64, 64. Equal to. 95, 95. Equal to. 80 and 80. Equal to. Did you understand, children? This is very easy equal to find out. Greater than and less than, you have to search for the number which is greater and which is smaller to put a sign. But when it comes to the equal, it's very easy because both sides will be the same number. So very easily you can put a sign of equal to. Yes or no, children? So this concept and now we are going to do in the textbook, workbook and classwork. So come on, let's go and do the things. See children, this is your textbook. Open your textbook, page number 2 to 22. Here we have a concept greater than. I already told you. When a number is bigger than the other, we use the sign of greater than. This is the symbol of greater than. That opens towards the bigger number. I already told you when I explained it on the board. It opens the which side? Where there is a bigger number. Towards bigger number. So here we have a 2 hats in a box. So write number 2. And right side box, how many hats were there? Only 1. So 2 and 1. Which is greater among these two? 2 is the greater than 1. So put a symbol of greater than symbol. It should be opened towards a bigger number. Did you understand, children? So count and write the number of objects and then put the correct sign. In the left side box, we have got 3 stars. Write number 3 in the box. And in the right side box, we have got 2 stars. Write number 2 in the box. Now 3 and 2, which is greater? 3 is greater than 2. So put the sign of greater than. 3 is greater than 2. And here we have a candles. How many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write number 4 in the box. And in the right side we have got 1, 2, 3 candles. Write number 3 in the box. So 4 and 3. Which number is greater? 4 is greater than 3. So write down, children. 4 is greater than 3. And here we have got how many cups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write number 5 in the box. And right side how many cups were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write number 4 in the box. So 5 and 4. Which is greater? 5 is greater than 4. And here we have got an ice creams. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write number 6 in the box. And in the right side, how many ice creams do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write number 4 in the box. 6 and 4. Which is greater? 6 is greater than 4. So put the symbol of greater than. Did you understand, children? Let's go with the next page now. Page number 2323. So here we have got a concept of smaller than. What is it? Smaller than. I already told you. When a number is smaller than the other, we use the sign of smaller than. That points to the smaller number. It points to the smaller number. Did you understand, children? Then, how many balls were here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write number 9 in the box. And see the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 9 and 11. Which is smaller than the other number? So 9 is smaller than 11. So the sign is pointing out towards the smaller number. Did you understand, children? So 9 is smaller than 11. Count and write the numbers of objects and then put the correct sign. So here in the left side box we have got 1, 2, 3, 4 fish. Write number 4 in the box. And then in the right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fish do we have? 5. Write number 5 in the box. And 4 and 5. Which is smaller? 4 is smaller than 5. So the sign of smaller than is pointing out here the small number. Did you understand, children? 4 is smaller than 5. Did you see? Then how many balloons do we have? 1, 2, 3. Write number 3 in the box. How many balloons do we have in the right side box? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write number 4 in the box. 3 and 4. Which is smaller? 3 is smaller than 4. Did you understand, children? See, 4 is greater than 3. So, it is opened towards the bigger number. And it is closed towards the smaller number. Did you understand? And in the next box, how many umbrellas do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write number 6 in the box. And right side box, how many umbrellas do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write number 8 in the box. So which is smaller than which number? 6 is smaller than 8. Did you understand? Then let's go with the next one. How many brinjal were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write number 5 in the box. And see the right side box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brinjal were there. So write number 8 in the box. And 5 and 8, which is smaller? 5 is smaller than 8. 5 is smaller than 8. Did you understand, children? Let's go with the next page now. So children, page number 2424 in the textbook. Here we have got equal to. What is it? Equal to. When a number is same on both sides, we use the sign of equal to. See the sign? Two sleeping lines, equal lines. Did you understand, children? So here we have got how many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write number 5 in the box. And right side box, how many fish do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write number 5 in the box. So both sides were same number. Did you observe, children? Both sides were same number. So this is equal to. 5 is equal to 5. Did you understand, children? Count and write the number of objects and then put the correct sign. It's very easy for you to do. How many owls were there? 1, 2, 3. Write number 3 in the box. How many dolls were there? 1, 2, 3. Write number 3 in the box. 3 and 3. Both are same. Equal. How many tops were here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write number 9 in the box. How many apples were here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write number 9 in the box. Both sides were same number. 9, 9. So, equal to. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 fish. Write number 4 in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4 owl. Write number 4 in the box. So, 4 and 4 equal to. Write equal in the box. And then, how many dolls were here? 1, 2. Write number 2 in the box. And then right side box, how many tops do we have? 1, 2. Write number 2 in the box. 2 and 2. Both are same. So, equal. Did you understand, children? Let's go with the next page. Page number 2525. Here they have given, put the correct sign of greater than, smaller than, or equal in the boxes. 3 concepts together they have given. So now come, let's start writing. 3 and 4. 3 is smaller than 4. Yes or no? Yes. 3 is smaller than 4. And 7 and 7. Both are same. So 7 is equal to 7. Did you understand, children? So 8 and 4. 8 is greater than 4. It is bigger than 4, right? Yes or no? So 8 is greater than 4. And here 9 and 6. So 9 is greater than 6. It's a bigger number. Yes or no, children? So it opens towards the bigger number. 9 is greater than 6. And 1 and 7. 1 is smaller than 7. So it closes. Did you see, children? It points out to the smaller number. So 1 is smaller than 7. And then next 9 and 8. 9 is greater than 8. 9 is greater than 8. It's a bigger number. So 2 and 2. Both are equal. So write the equal symbol. And 8 and 2. 8 is greater than 2. 8 is greater than 2. 6 and 8. 6 is smaller than 8. 6 is smaller than 8. And here 3 and 1. 3 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1. 9 and 9. 9 is equal to 9. Both are same. 6 and 6. Both are same. So equal. 1 and 5. 1 is smaller than 5. 1 is smaller than 5. That's what it is closed. 5 and 4. 5 is greater than 4. 5 is greater than 4. Did you understand, children? Hope you understood this concept. So that's all for today. Tomorrow I'll send you the workbook and also the classwork. Have a nice day, children.